Hello everyone, this is your Valli addressing from SLVM School Chekapatnagaram, dealing with the subject English of class 5. And children, hope you all are fine. Why? Because we are facing a very critical condition in our surroundings, in our local areas now, due to the effect of very severe and dangerous corona. So children, please stay at home, stay safe. Okay, and in this video we are going to learn about our term 1 first line Rina the Magician's grammar part. So children, open page number 9 and that page number 9 our first grammar topic is starting, that Roman C. Sum it out. Given below are 6 sentences that sum up the story. Write them in the boxes in the correct order and complete the flowchart. Okay children? So children, look here. Here we have some sentences given on the textbook according to the lesson. But these sentences are jumbled. That means not in a correct order. Here we have a flow chart. Here we have a flow chart. On this flow chart, we have to write those sentences in a given order, in a particular order. Before that, we have to choose that correct order. So children, first I numbered here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On these 6 sentences, we have to write the first one and a correct one. So look here. The water fell on her and her mother. Her grandfather returned from his walk. Rina saw a magician performing a trick and wanted to learn it. The grandfather started laughing. She requested him to teach her the trick. Rina swung her arm with all her strength. So here are some sentences. On this, the first sentence and the first situation taken place is Rina saw a magician performing a trick and wanted to learn it. That's the first one. So, third one is the first one. And in this flowchart, you have to write this third one. And the next one, the instructor to arrow mark here. So, the next situation we have to write here. And that one is, after Rina performing a magic trick and she wanted to learn, after that what's the continuation? She requested him to teach the trick. So the next one is fifth one. And then the next flowchart is instructed to here. That is this box. So children, look here. Her grandfather returned from his walk. That's the next one according to the lesson. Okay children, the next one is second one according to the lesson. And the next flowchart is instructed here. And the next one is, look here. Is there any related to the next situation? Yes, Rina swung her arm with all her strength. So here the next one is sixth one. Clear children? So the next, the flowchart, the arrow indicated here. So the next one is, after that, the water fell on her and her mother. So the next one is the first one. And the last and final one what we left is fourth one. And the fourth one is, the grandfather started laughing. So children, I given instructions and I given order. But the main part of writing this is yours. Before filling this part on textbook, you have to observe the lesson and read the lesson and read the situations given here clearly. Okay children? So children, the next Roman is Roman D from page number 10. Here we have some true or false, and these true or false are mainly based on our lesson. This Roman also based on lesson. So look clearly. Reena was impressed by the magician's trick. True or false? True. The magician did not accept the money Reena gave him. Reena offered some money to magician, right? Did the magician taken that money? No. He refused the money. So the magician did not accept the money Reena gave him? Yes. Next one. Reena asked her mother for money to give to the magician. Did Reena ask her money to give money? Ask money? No. She didn't ask her mother to give money. So the answer is false. And the next one is Reena's grandfather went out for a walk after sunrise. Reena's grandfather went for a morning walk, right? After sunrise? Yes. So the statement is true. And the next one. Reena's grandfather was angry with her. After performing magical trick, did Reena's grandfather get angry? Reena's grandfather was angry on Reena? No. He laughed with joy. So the statement is false. And the next one is Reena's glass of water did not turn into flowers. Children, did Reena's glass of water turns into flowers? No, yeah. Just the water fell on her mother and grandfather too. So the statement is true. Did not turn into flowers. That means the answer is true. And I'm going with the next Roman. The next Roman in our this lesson is Roman G. Match the columns to make new words with the new words. Okay, here are some words of section A and one more section B, and we have to join these two sections. And here one thing, the first one instructed as bird song. Bird song. Bird song. And the next one is fire. Is there any word related to fire? Sheet, row, mill, chair, market, song, wood, hopper. So the fire is related to wood. Fire is related to wood. So firewood, here you have to write firewood. And the third one is armchair. And the fourth one is watermelon. And the fifth one is eyebrow. And the next one is bed sheet. And the next one is grasshopper. And finally the last one is supermarket. So children, bird song, firewood, armchair, watermelon, eyebrow, bed sheet, grasshopper, supermarket. You have to join those words by adding these two and considering these two, and you have to write the words here clearly. So children, I am going with the next Roman H of page number 11. Look here. Make sentences to describe the pictures. Choose words from the boxes. Here we have clues, some hints and pictures. And also we have mainly two boxes. So we have to join these words and pictures in a proper and correct manner. So children, wash, make, slice, ring, rate. Look at the clearly children. I am zooming there. Wash, make, slice, drink, rake, and milk, onions, bed, leaves, clothes. Here, wash is an action word. Make is an action word. Slice is an action word. And drink is an action word. And rake is an action word. And also milk is an object. Onions, object. Bed, object. Leaves, object. Clothes, object. And also these all are nouns. Okay children. And here action words. These are verbs. Okay children. Look here. These are verbs. And these are nouns. Okay. So while using these verbs and nouns and these hints, we have to make a sentence. Clear, children? The first one given is Johnny is raking leaves. Johnny is raking leaves. So children, here Johnny is the subject and what he is doing? Raking, that means cleaning leaves. So the next one is Izrath. Izrath. And helping verb is. Izrath is what she is doing? Onions. Onions cutting, in the sense the perfect word is slice. Perfect word is slice. While adding ing to the verbs, we call it as verb 1 plus ing, the action words. Here action words, verbs, we have to add verbs plus ing. So clear, children? So the second one answer is Izrath is slicing onions. Izrath is slicing onions. And the next one, next clue is Sheetal. Sheetal, what is she doing? She is doing something with bed. What she is doing? She is making. That means decorating, cleaning and everything. Okay, children? So the third one answer is Sheetal is making bed. Making bed. The fourth one is Lily. As a dog, Lily. Lily. Lily is drinking. Drink plus ing, drinking milk. Clear, children? So the next one is Rahul. What Rahul is doing here? Rahul is washing clothes. So the fifth one answer is Rahul is washing clothes. So children, and here while coming into the page number 12, we have a grammar corner topic about sentence. About this sentence, we have to discuss in next video. Now, I am going with the next Roman J. Rearrange these words to make complete sentences. Remember to use capital letters and punctuation marks. Okay, children, we have to rearrange these sentences. Which manner we have to rearrange these sentences? Look here. The first one is fierce looking and was the magician, a man, big. So how can we write this? The man was a big and fierce looking man. The magician was a big and fierce looking man. Again I am saying that the magician was a big and fierce looking man. And the first word we may get is the magician. So T capital. So capital T, T-H-E, the magician was a big and fierce looking man. Okay, children. The next one, picnic, going, tomorrow, are we on? And that sentences we have to make it as a questioning word. Why? Because look here. Are we going on a picnic tomorrow? Are we going on a picnic tomorrow? A-R-E-R. The sentence may starts with the word R. So A capital. And next the ending, picnic tomorrow. Tomorrow after question mark. So clear, children? And the third one is, was boring a film, what it? So the answer is, what a boring film it was. What a boring film it was. Clear? It may express some expression. Maybe it's a feeling of depression, feeling of sad, feeling of happy and something. While expressing those type of sentences, we use the exclamation. We use exclamation. So how can we write it as, what a boring film it was? So what? The first sentence may starts with what? W is capital. What a boring film it was after an exclamation. So the next one, fourth one is run barefoot, don't abort. Run barefoot, don't abort. So the sentence may start as with don't. D-O-N-T, don't. So D is capital. Don't run about barefoot. After barefoot, we have to mark it as with full stop. So clear, children? And the next one is Sheena. When, was, have, thrilled, was promoted, brother. So we have to write it as with the sentence starts with subject and the subject is Sheena. Sheena was thrilled when her brother was promoted. So Sheena, yes capital. And after the last was promoted after full stop. So we have to write like as Sheena was thrilled when her brother was promoted. And children, the next two Romans K, L, we have to explain this after the explanation of sentence of a grammar corner. So children, on my next video, I will go with Roman K and L. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, please contact me through WhatsApp in our school groups. Thank you.